Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti and the past couple of weeks have been quite hectic. I went to Lavasa to surprise my mom for her birthday, and then before that it was my best friend's birthday, and I've just been sort of running around trying to dabble multiple things. And especially when this happens, I feel like the one thing that I tend to always sacrifice when I'm having a hectic time is sleep. I feel like I'm always sleep deprived, and of course, when we don't get adequate sleep and we are stressed and we are trying to do a million things, what do we get? Dark circles. I was just feeling like my under eyes needed a lot of TLC. My under eyes just felt so dark and swollen. I just needed to do something about it because this is not how Mama likes to see her face. Clearly. I went back to my trusted L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum. This product is honestly something that has worked for me ever since I tried it, a couple of months back. I even made a dedicated video about this. I will leave a little link to it right here if you want to check that out. I honestly have enjoyed using it so much also because it has given me such amazing, great results. This has 3% brightening ingredients of glycolic acid, niacinamide and vitamin CG, and it has this really beautiful, unique beaded applicator which feels so comforting and relaxing to use under the eyes. Especially at night when I use this, honestly it feels like a little massage that your under eyes need after a really tiring sort of a day. It has given me such amazing results, and especially in your PM skin routine, this is a definite addition that you must do because your under eyes deserve the love. So what I like doing is I like using this especially in my PM skin routine. I will first go in with my cleanser and all of that, remove any makeup or anything of that sort that I have. Then I will go in with my L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. This is also something that I've been using for the past couple of months, and this has 1% glycolic acid, which is a great AHA which fights pigmentation and dark spots and gives you visible results in just 4 weeks. And I have been using it for a couple of months, and I can definitely see such a huge change in my overall skin, and the fact that it has really helped fight dark spots, especially a couple of them because I have like oily, acne prone skin. I do tend to break out here and there, which leave a couple of dark spots on my face. Plus, my work is such that I am kind of out and about throughout the day quite a lot, so like there is quite a lot of sun exposure that happens on my skin as well. So glycolic acid serum is a definite addition that I need in my PM skincare routine. I've been using this for a couple of months now, and it has given me such amazing results. And like I mentioned, I have oily, acne prone skin, and especially if you have like brown skin, you're so prone to hyperpigmentation that when you add a glycolic acid serum into your skincare routine, it really, over a period of time, it kind of naturally brightens your skin and gives you a beautiful sort of radiant glow that I love. I've been loving these products so much that I have definitely been carrying them in my little vanity bag. I even carried with me, I even took them with me when I went to Lavasa. I think the packaging is very travel friendly. It's also beautiful to look at. It's also priced pretty affordably. I feel for what you get, it's pretty affordably priced. And L'Oreal Paris is also having some really cool, exciting offers. So definitely check that out. I will leave a link to all of that in the description box. And yes, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.